In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional song using Suno AI with just your phone. You can do this for this Valentine. So all you're going to do is to go to Chrome or any of your browser. Okay, you have the chance to either use the application, you can see installed somewhere here, or you go through the web. So we'll use the other one. Okay, so I will sign up here using my Gmail. Click on Gmail here. Okay, so I'll verify I'm human. So I'll pick this Gmail here. Then I'll click on continue. I will type in date of birth. Okay, so I will sign in. Okay, good. So I'll click on create. You can see the phone is different from the other video I did on the laptop, and that's why I have to explain using phone. So I'm using iPhone 11. This can also work for your Android phone. Okay, so once you click on create down here, you have simple and customize. This simple is set to simple by default actually. So this simple is for you to create background music, but that's not what we're going. We're going to customize. From the customize, once you click on customize, you have three sections. You have audio, persona, and inspo. So audio is what we're going to click. I'm going to click on this arrow. Okay, you can see here says I should upload or record. So let's quickly go back to maybe our Microsoft Word to organize our lyrics, which you should have done already. So this is my own lyrics here. I already have it here. Okay, and I've also recorded. So the audio, I'm going to just bring it into Suno AI. One of these AI tool also we need to work with is Chat GPT. Okay, so if you check my lyrics here, if you read what is here carefully, I'll give you time to read. I said this is my song lyrics, is R&B, emotional, romantic, slow, blah blah blah, and all that. I copy my prompt. So what I'm going to do next is to go to chat. Hold on, let us minimize this one. Okay, so this is it here. So I pasted the lyrics. You can see this is verse 1 and the chorus. Then from here, from this part here, let me highlight it. From this part here, you see that was the prompt I gave chat. So let me scroll down a little bit. The same one I showed you the other round. So I put in that prompt under my lyrics, then and I click send. And this is the next thing chat is going to give to you. So let's scroll. It said very nice. What chat did here is to analyze everything I've said, including the lyrics. But I didn't stop there. Sometimes you might get what we are trying to do is to just get a professional prompt to give to Suno AI. Okay. So I then interact with chat. I said put it in one sentence. Okay. So the whole of that analysis you put into one sentence. A slow mid-tempo, emotional R&B love song with a piano-led instrumental and so on. So you can just go through it. I can give you some seconds to go through it if you really want this prompt, if this resonates what you're doing. Then there's something missing in the prompt which you can correct before onward, depending on your song composition or the kind of style of song you have you want to create. So, and I said add backup harmonies. So there are some song composition. If you want a solo, that's fine. But in this song composition, I need harmony. So I said I asked chat to quickly add backup harmonies. Then after that, it rephrased a fantastic prompt which I can now use on even other AI to apart from Suno. So if you go through it, we have a slow mid tempo emotional R&B love song with piano-led instrumental expressive tenor, saxophone, mid tenor, vocal in Nigeria English accent, smooth and intimate. So I put all those together. Now, where did I get all this? Is from my first video. And that is why I said the first thing you need to do is to go watch my first video and then come back for this, okay? So then I said something at the end also. I added something at the end, hook. The hook is not in my lyrics. Well, you can do your hook from your lyrics. Don't forget, hook can be either instrumental or voice, okay? So at the end here, I have emotional bridge with layered harmonies and a catchy hook featuring modern warm R&B production inspired by deep love and admiration, okay? So that is all. So I will copy the whole of this. I will copy it, okay? Then the next is for us to record our audio. So if you go back to Suno, if you go back to Suno here, you have the chance to upload already made audio or you can record direct. But I already have my audio recorded. So let me quickly show you my audio. So this is the audio here. You can just record with your phone voice recorder, okay? So let me play it. Anytime I see your face playing, looking bright, looking nice, like Mother Nature. So that is my audio. That's fine. So what I'm going to do now is to go to Suno and then upload that audio to it. Okay, so I'll click on upload and then I will go to choose from file. Okay, so we're going to search it here. Audio always. So that's it. I'll pick it. So then you agree to their terms and condition. Okay, so this is the whole thing here. You can play it here again. Anytime I see. So you can trim any part you do not want. So once I click on save, it's going to be saved to my workspace area on Suno. So I'll click on save. You can see it's uploading to the workspace in Suno. So it might take a while depending on your network strength or how long the audio is and your Wi-Fi strength or network, okay? So it's going in. Great. So it's in. Then I'll go to this three dot here on my right hand side. I will click on the remix. Okay, then I will click on cover. Okay, look at it. I will click on this cover here. Okay, great. So it's going to be loaded to customize page, which you've seen before. You can listen to it again here, trim any part you do not want. And if you scroll down a little bit, the lyrics part, you have your lyrics there. Okay, so you can check if you want to make any corrections. You understand? You have the lyrics there. You can make correction. Let me just scroll down so that you see it. You can see everything is there. So in case you have a misspelled word, because now, anytime I see your face looking bright like this, looking nice like the modern nature, I want to hold you. Sometimes it might not be correct, so just quickly run through it. And then one thing I noticed is that the chorus and the verse was joined together. So what I'm going to do is to try and separate it. Or instead, you can just copy your lyrics there and just highlight this, copy, and then go to Suno. Go to Suno, delete this, and then just copy the one you structured yourself instead of wasting time. So I'll just paste it here, okay? You see, that's easy now. So if you check it, you find out that everything is in order. Okay, great. Now we go back again to my notes or to Chat GPT. So let us go to Chat GPT. Okay, hold on a second. We're going to copy the prompt I told you about, the professional prompt that we're going to use. So I'll copy it again. I'll copy it, then go to Suno and paste it on the style here. So just right click and then paste, okay? I'll paste it here. Remember, I've gone through it and I'm okay with it. Then I'll scroll down here to advanced. I'll click on this arrow here. So then I'll scroll down a little bit. So what voice do I need? I need a male voice, okay? So I'll click on male. The lyrics mode, I will leave it at manual so that you can pick my own voice at least to some reasonable point. Remember, this is a remix. This is not the one that will clone your voice exactly. No, this is to change your voice a little bit. So if you put auto, that is going to be completely out of your hand to work on. So I will leave it at manual. Okay. Now, if you want to adjust this weirdness, you can't do that because it's for those people using Pro. Okay. So the only part you can touch here with the free version, which I'm using, is the vocal gender lyrics mode, and that's all. Then if you scroll down, let me go down. Now here you can change the title. Let me change the title to track to, let's just say 0.2, because I've done it before. So that's all. That's how to put the title. And it's good you start being organized with your song, okay? So that in case you have a lot of songs you are creating, okay? Then after that, you click on create. You can see under my workspace, you click on what? Create. And then wait for it to generate. You can see automatically once you click on create, we'll be waiting here at the workspace area. I can see my workspace is here. Okay, so let us wait for it to load. Then at the top here, I have two songs generated. Okay, I have two songs generated. So we're going to play the first one, and you see the one that you are okay with. And then if you are also okay with the second one, anyone, just play one and see the one you are okay. We can see what we have here. We have cover, cover. So let's play and see which one we like.
Anytime I see your face, looking bright, looking nice, like a mother nature, I want to
This is nice. So I won't be able to
looking
play too long
bright,
because of
looking
copyright
nice.
reasons. Okay. You can also check the second one too. Sometimes the second one might be just be instrumental or just a variant of what you've described to the AI. Okay. So what if, let's say we like this now? What we're going to do next is for us to click on these three dots and then you go to download. You can see the download here. So I'll click on download, because so we have to either download at mp3 wave. So I will just go with you can see if you want to download as wave is for pro, if you want to download as mp video is for pro also, but this is the most one that is available for free version. So I'll click on it. Now you need to read this. Don't generate a song and go and use it commercially. You can only just share between your friends, otherwise you are going to be fired with copyright issue. Okay, so you can just, it's just for you to keep memories of your songs, okay, and share with friends. But if you want to own the song, you have to upgrade your version, okay, and then you download it. But for this reason, I only just want to use it for tutorial sake and just share with one or two of my friends, okay? So I'll just click on download anyway. So that is how you can go about it, creating a professional song using a solid prompt we generated from ChatGPT. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice with AI, which means by the time you bring in your audio in, by the time we do everything we need to do, it's going to sound like your voice, like we are cloning your voice, you understand? So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and help me share to anyone who might need it. Bye for now.